You're right on track to find out the 8 things you can do on WordPress that YouTube Live just can't. And by the end of this video, I'll show you how you can do that. First, you can monetize your way the way you want. So you can set up pay-per-view live streams or pay-per-view video on demand, subscription live streams or video on demand, or you can set up donations and things like that with different plugins. So our go-to plugin is WooCommerce for all things monetization, and everything we're showing you over here is set up with WooCommerce and WooCommerce subscriptions. Second, custom branding and player skins, so you can fully brand your live streams and your video on demand so that people know who they're watching when they're coming to your site. You can add your logo and customize your player the way you'd like to. Three, no competing content. So, unlike on YouTube or Twitch, where you always have different videos playing from different streamers, on your site, only videos from your account, from your profile, or streamers that you want can be seen. Four, you can stream to a private audience. So, whether you have a business webinar, a kids event that you don't want sharing with the rest of the world, or anything that's more private. This is how you can set up a password protected live stream. You can password protect a page and add the player over there. Five, you can host replays on your site. So after a live stream, you can simply record the live stream and then post it on your site so that viewers that missed it the first time or want to come back can watch again. You can also integrate with your ecosystem. So, for example, with BuddyBoss, so you can add live streaming to your BuddyBoss platform and stream straight away, or you can also integrate with better messages where you can add a live chat to your live streams and on your video players. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how it works and how good it looks. Next, we have number 7, where you can have ad-free streaming available. So with ad-free streaming, you won't get pop-ups and things like that showing up on your live streams. And you can, in theory, get a plugin to allow ads if you want, but you don't have to. 8, multi-currency and local payments. So like I said earlier, we use WooCommerce and we highly recommend WooCommerce for this. And the great thing about WooCommerce is that it works with different currencies, a lot of payment methods, and just a lot to choose from. So I'm showing you over here the payment section, and if you go to manage, you'll see all these options like credit, debit card, Ideal, WeChat, WooPay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and many other options. So that's great. So here's how you can go live on your site. All you need to do is install the WpStream plugin and activate it. And if you want exactly what we showed you, you can also get the free Hello WpStream theme. I can assure you that just in a couple of minutes, you can get streaming on your website with no hassle, no stress, and you can go live right away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.